Show that a triangle with one of its angles measuring 30 degrees cannot have all vertices with integer coordinates. Let us consider a triangle A, B, and C. Here we will suppose that the coordinates of vertex A are x1, y1. Coordinates of vertex B, let it be x2, y2, and coordinates of vertex C, let it be x3, y3. Now here xi, where I will take the value 1, 2, 3, are all integers. And similarly yi, so where I can take the value 1, 2, and 3, so these are also integers. So that means the coordinates are integer coordinates. So it's we are going to suppose that they are integer values. Now it's given here that one of its angle measures 30 degrees. So let us suppose that angle A measures 30 degree. Now what we can do, we'll try to find out the slope of line AB and line AC. Okay, so slope of line AB, where that's going to be, let's denote it by the letter M1 in lowercase, and that will be given by, so first we need is the difference of the y coordinate in the numerator, so that's y2 minus y1, divided by the difference of the x coordinate, so that's x2 minus x1. And similarly we can find out the slope of let's say the side AC, and we're going to name it as M2, so this will be equals to y3 minus y1 divided by x3 minus x1. Since it's given here the 30 degree is the angle between side AB and AC, then what we can do, we can define that angle tangent of 30 degree in terms of the slope as the absolute value of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 times m2. Now what we'll do, we'll replace the value of m1 with its value, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and substitute m2 with y3 minus y1 over x3 minus x1. So let's do that. Now we know the value of tangent of 30 degree, so that's 1 over square root of 3. So this will be equals to the absolute value. Now what we'll do, we're going to multiply both numerator and the denominator with x2 minus x1 times x3 minus x1. So that's going to give us x3 minus x1 multiplied to y2 minus y1 minus x2 minus x1 times y3 minus y1 whole divided by, we have x2 minus x1 times x3 minus x1 added to y2 minus y1 times y3 minus y1. However, this is not a valid relation because we assume that x1, x2, x3 as well as y1, y2, y3 are all integers value. If they are integers, that means we have some integers divided by another integer, which is going to give us a rational number. But on the left hand side we have is an irrational number, so this cannot be true, which only tells us that the coordinates of the vertex of the triangle cannot be integers, hence proved.